Good afternoon. Hi, my name is Susan Sullivan. I'm the Director of Operations here at the Williams Center, Plastic Surgery Specialist. I'm here with one of our patients today who's been more than willing to share her story of an experience of having Sculptra aesthetics, which is really the new age of anti-aging today. What we want to do is share her experience and what she saw and the effects of the Sculptra treatment. So Fran, thank you so much for sharing this today.
You're entirely welcome.
You know, it's all about us girls, friends sharing their secrets and how we look better without other people knowing. So I know that you came to Dr. Williams and you saw him, and you had a vial of Sculptra in the beginning of May.
Yes.
And so if you can just share what it was like to have it, how did it feel?
Sure, I'd be happy to, Sue. Honestly, I had a wedding. That was the impetus for me to go out and get this done, because I wanted to look the best. It was my youngest daughter getting married, and I wanted to make sure that I was going to be looking my best for the wedding. And so I talked to Dr. Williams, and he recommended the Sculptra. And I know there's a variety of products out there, but he felt that that was the best fit for me. And as a nurse, I'm always looking to do things that are more natural with the body and seem to work better. And even if it takes a little longer, I'm willing to do that instead of maybe doing some of the more quick fixes, which, it's really up to each individual as to what they want.
So do you know how the Sculptra actually works with the body?
Well, if I can tell you what I remember, and then you can correct me where my points are wrong. I do remember Dr. Williams saying that it's not something you're going to see right away. That after the process is done, it does take a few months for the actual collagen to be reproduced in your body naturally, and then for you to see the actual effects.
And you're right. The way that Sculptra works, it's made up of what they call polylactic acid. And it's made up of the same type of material that the surgeons use for inside suturing of like your belly when you have abdominal surgery, and those sutures dissolve. Well, they found when the sutures dissolve that it's actually stimulating collagen. So they went ahead and they ground this material up into a liquid form, hence you have Sculptra, which makes your body stimulate its own collagen. So it takes a number of months before your body is able to make that collagen to regenerate for you to see a difference in your face.
Yeah, and I looked at it the 4 months, and Dr. Williams, as part of the follow-up, had me come in to just see what it looked like, take some pictures, and like that, I look at myself every day in the mirror, and I'm always looking for, the changes immediately to see what's happening. And
Don't we all?
Yeah, and so I would say, oh, no, I don't see anything. No, maybe. Truthfully, I have to say, it was probably 6 to 8 months later that it's like the one day I opened up and I said, damn, I look good. And I think to me that, that patience, having to have the patience is really what you need to do with this particular product. But I have had more compliments from people, even over the holidays. People would come and say to me, oh God, you look great. What's going on? People I work with just can't believe that I'm 60 years old. And I know this is going public, but you know what? It is what it is. I am what I am. And I just want to encourage, people really honest and truthfully. I recommend it highly, and I really see a big difference in my own self.
Well, thank you so much, because it really, for people to hear a patient and their experience, it really helps them to guide them as to an outcome and what they can expect. So I really do appreciate it, and thank you so much.
Well, thank you for asking me.